What's up everyone? How you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'm gonna show you how to fix the WPS Office in case that this app is not opening well or show you the very long loading or not working as good as the previous time. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tips and tricks. Well, guys, the first step you can do here, you can go to the setting of your and after that you can go to this app and now you can search for the application named the WPS Office, and in my phone here it show you the recently open app, and I will click this one. And after that you can go to the storage and cache. Well, guys, if you find the issue when this application is not open well, so you can try to clear the cache, which is the cleaning the junk file that has been produced by this WPS Office. And you can also try to clear the storage, but I will strongly recommend you to save your data first that you made by this WPS and save it into the another folder, for example in your external memory of your phone. And after that you can try to clear the storage to lighten the memory storage here. And another alternative that you can do here is the go to the Play Store and make sure that this WPS is already in the updated version, guys. And usually if you haven't updated yet, it will show the update button, and after you update it you can start to, let's say, restart the phone, and after that you can try this WPS. And usually by removing the data cache and also update the version and restart the phone, this WPS is now already used or is now ready to use for any purposes. For example, create the table into the, let's say, the Excel version, or create the document or the PowerPoint, guys, or the slide presentation. So that's all, guys. I hope this tutorial finds you helpful, and don't forget to try this tips and trick. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.